Good morning, children. Today we'll continue our previous chapter, that is more on Microsoft Word. In the previous video, we have learned about copy formatting to another selection. That is how we are going to use Format Painter tool, applying subscript and superscript effect, finding and replacing the text. Today we will start with header and footer. Header and footer is used to place important information on top and at the bottom of every page. You can include title, chapter heading, page number, author's name, date, etc. Header and footer buttons are present on Insert tab. Here you can see a picture of header and footer tool where you will observe header and footer. At the bottom you will get page number. If you want to insert page number, we will click on page number, date and time. Then there is go to header, go to footer option, and various options are available. And lastly, we will click on close header and footer to close our header and footer option. Now click the header button. Select edit header option in the built-in dialog box. A design tab will appear on the ribbon. Now you will find the header box with the dotted line on top of the page. Click header and footer box and then type the text you want. Whatever text you want to type, you can type over there. And then press tab key twice. The insertion point will jump to the right side. Click date and time button, the insert group on the design tab. Then you can choose date and time format and then click on OK. In the same way, click the footer button and then select edit footer option. The footer box will appear at the bottom of the page. Then you will observe that insertion point on the left of the footer box. Now press tab key. The insertion point will jump to the center of the page where you can click on page number button in the header and footer group and choose the format of page number. Then click again on the button and choose the format of page number option. And lastly, click the close button on the design tab to close the header and footer tool. Inserting column and column break. When you type a document, it is displayed on the screen in single column or in a paragraph style. If you wish to format the document in a newspaper style or display it in an interesting look, Word enables you to create 2 or more columns in a document. How you are going to create a multiple columns in your text? Select the text, then go to column button. Now from where do we get column button? Just click on page layout tab. There you will get the column button. A drop down menu will display the choice of the column and select the number of columns you would like to insert, and that number of column will be inserted in your document. For example, if you will select 3, the number 3, then 3 columns will be inserted in your document and then click OK. Here is a picture of column dialog box where you can select the number of columns which you would like to insert. Next is inserting column break. If you have already added some column to your document, then you must have noticed that some columns are not balanced. For this, you can use column break. How you are going to do that? Just place the cursor before the text where you want to insert column break. Click the break button from the page layout tab and select column option from the drop down menu. You will observe that the text where you have placed the cursor will shift to the next column. Now here is a picture of page break drop down menu from where you will click page break option and then column. Working with tabs. Tab key is used to move the cursor at certain spaces in the document. By default, the tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch. Now you can set the tab stop along with the ruler according to your requirement. When you press the tab key, the cursor will automatically jumps to the next tab. Tabs can be created using leader lines. Tab stops can be set by clicking the page layout tab. Then click the paragraph dialog box launcher and click the tab buttons. Then type the tab position, for example 1.25 inch in the tab stop position text box. Select any of the alignment option and click the set button. Similarly, set a new tab at 3 inch and click OK. Now press tab key, the cursor will jump to the next position where you have set the tab stop.